Good morning guys, and in front of me is TCL 408, and let me show you how to change keyboard language. First of all, you need to open some area in which you can enter the text, in which you can see the keyboard. It can be new message, it can be the browser, some search area, just the place where the keyboard is displayed. Once you are here, or once you see the keyboard, tap on settings, and then go to languages. Here, just click on add keyboard, select the language in which you want to write. So let me choose, for example, we can pick Arabic. Tap on done then, and now you can either stay with both languages or you can remove unnecessary language by tapping on this edit icon. And as you can see here, it has been already applied. So that will be all. This is how you can manage keyboard language. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.